So my friend and I pushed my XJ that we're working on into a little space, like a little open garage carport thing underneath her house. And then we harvested some parts off of her XJ, which was unfortunately totaled a few months ago. We took off this light because my XJ needed a light. It was difficult to get off because some of the screws were rusted, but we're trying to harvest as much as we can, including screws.
From Powhatan County, Virginia.
Powhatan. I always think it's Pocahontas.
Pocahontas Middle School's up there.
Oh, okay.
You know, we moved from New York. My father was from Powhatan. He moved us to Powhatan.
That's right. What year did he leave, or what decade did?
1972.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, 1972. We moved out here a year and a half before right after they integrated the schools down in Powhatan. Yeah.
So you had to go to that?
Yeah, but I was a New Yorker, so I didn't give a fuck. I got kicked out the first year I went to school. So I didn't give a fuck. Man told me go to the office, sit down and shut up. I said, you don't talk to me like that. I'm from New York. I was bragging. So I'm 15 years old. I said, well, I'm from New York, motherfucker. I'm a dog. You don't talk to me like that. I be goddamn shit. Go to the office. All right. I ain't got to be in here. Here we go.
Oh, you can go ahead. Hopefully nothing's in the way. Some redneck shit right here.
With a pop-up body shops. Boys went ahead and rented what they call it, a garage.
I was saying they could rent this out on Airbnb for like glamping. Charge $100 a night.
I don't know what he's talking about delicate hands. Like, I'm dirtier than you are.